Hold.
What?
Explain your sneeze.
I'm sorry?
Do you have allergies?
No.
Is there too much pepper on your salad?
I don't put pepper on salads.
I've heard enough. Sit over there.
Come on, I don't want to sit by myself.
That's what Typhoid Mary said, and clearly her friends buckled.
Guys, help me.
Sheldon, come on.
Yeah, it's just one sneeze. You're on your own.
See you, buddy. Yes, Raj.
When can I sit with you again?
When I've seen 2 consecutive negative throat cultures spaced 12 hours apart, you know the drill. All right, if you'll excuse me, I am off to start a prophylactic course of antibiotics.
I can't believe he's friends with Elizabeth Plimpton.
I can't believe they let him into Canada.
Whoa, you heard the man? Where's your throat cultures?
Kidding. Sit down.